Yes guys, and today we're going to we want to make a logo for your business. It's good to have a business logo. A business logo makes people identify you online instead of using your image, and also in your brands you need to put your logo, but most of the people do not know how to make a logo. This is the AI that will help you make logo, and it's so easy. Adobe Express. Adobe Express is a very good for making logo. Also, you can use free logo maker, which is from shopify.com to make logo. Just write your name in shopify.com. Also we have design.com. Design.com will help you make a logo for your business. So let's go to Adobe Express here. So Adobe Express, what you need a prompt for your logo. Now we'll go to ChatGTP. I have already made a prompt here. I just wrote on ChatGPT that make a logo prompt of Belinda design which deals in women clothing and fashion design. Color to be golden orange and be in 3D. Then ChatGPT just created me this. Okay, then I copy it, then paste it in Adobe Express just to get a very nice logo for Belinda. Generate. For Adobe Express you need a prompt, but for Shopify you just need to write the name Belinda and Belinda Beauty and Fashion Design, and it generates. This is more faster to generating logos than the other one. Okay, just need to write the name of. We also have design.com. Design.com also, you just need to write your name up here, and that's all. Let us go back to Adobe Express and see. Look at these logos. Let me download, so that Belinda can choose the logo that she wants. Wow, let me show you the first logo. Look at this logo. Wow, Belinda Designs, beautiful. Okay, let's see the second logo. It gives us 4 options. Guy, I tell you, AI is making things work easy. Look, Belinda Designs. When you're posting things on your social media, you must make sure that your logo does not change, because that is how people identifies you. That is another logo. Let me show you another one. This one is another logo. Let's see. Look, Belinda Designs, beautiful. This also is a logo. Let's see another one. This one is the last one, Belinda Designs. I think we saw that. I want the last one is here, Belinda Designs. Guys, this is Adobe Express. It's free to make a logo for your business, a product, brand, organization, or even company. What you need to do is to understand how to make a prompt. You don't need much. Also, some people are saying that this AI is replacing them. No, you need to be somebody. If you are a graphic designer, you need to advance your prompt writing and understanding how to write good prompts. I don't use ChatGTP to generate logos because ChatGTP is not good with colors. It does not balance shadows the way you see here. Let me show you something. The way you see Adobe Express has balanced shadows. Look the shades here, look the lights up here, and look the blending of colors. ChatGTP will just give you a plain colors that are not, if you design something with ChatGTP or Gemini, somebody will just know this is an AI generated. But that's why we say ChatGTP and Gemini are not good for designs. Go and design them with AI tools that are specific for generating logos. Thank you very much. Go to Adobe Express and design a logo and show us. Bye.